Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is going to be a really quick one. I just want to show you guys what the car looks like. I've finished pinstriping the whole lot, so the whole bodywork is done. I believe this is the first ever Corsa VXR pinstripe. So if anyone is wanting to know what one looks like, this is going to show you. If you guys want a chance to see this car in person, Tuesday the 24th of April, which is 2 days from now, because this is going up on Sunday. I'm doing a car meet, and there's quite a few of us going, as far as I know. So if you guys want to actually turn up to that and want to see the car in person, ask me some questions. There's another YouTuber, Jesse, he's going as well. He's got a Corsa D 1.4. But there is a couple more VXRs, so if you want to have a car chat, you know, general stuff, you don't have to have a modified car, you don't have to have a VXR, come along. Details will be in the description for that if you want to bring yourself along. Bring some friends. You know, if they've never seen my channel before, by all means bring them as well. Stickers, I will be selling them also at the car meet. So if you want one, just ask me. I've now got green, red, blue, orange, and a couple of pink for those girls that actually watch it, and you guys as well that just, you know, love a little bit of pink. So yeah, I've also got the stickers for sale in the store now, so it's not through eBay. So yeah, link is in the description as well. I'm just going to shut up and let you see it. Get on with it.